Hey there. Did you know that over 60% of students say they struggle with confidence? But here's the kicker. Research shows that confidence can actually boost academic performance by up to 30%. Crazy, right? If you've ever felt unsure in class or dreaded that next exam, stick around because we're about to dive into how you can flip the script on your confidence. Today, let's dive into confidence, a word we hear a lot, but what does it really mean for students? Confidence isn't just about feeling good. It's about believing in your ability to face challenges head-on. When you feel confident, you're more likely to join class discussions, tackle tough subjects, and ultimately reach your academic goals. Think about it. When you walk into a room feeling like, I've got this, everything shifts. Your mindset changes and suddenly, that math problem or big presentation doesn't seem so intimidating. In this video we'll explore why building confidence is essential, and how it can pave the way to your academic success. Now let's get real for a second. Many students face challenges that really knock their confidence down a peg. First off, there's the fear of failure. Maybe you've bombed a test or two, and that feeling just lingers, making you hesitant to try again. Then there's peer pressure. It can be tough when you feel like your friends are always watching, judging your every move. Add to that the social media highlight reels that sometimes make you feel like everyone else has it all figured out, and it's no wonder confidence takes a hit. These pressures can create a cycle where students avoid challenges, which only reinforces their lack of confidence. It's a tough spot to be in, but recognizing these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. But here's the thing, confidence isn't about never feeling afraid or uncertain. It's about finding the courage to keep moving forward even when you're unsure. Small steps like setting realistic goals, embracing small victories, and learning to see mistakes as a part of growth can make a big difference over time. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn something new. And that's where resilience comes in. The ability to bounce back, to keep going even when things get tough, is one of the most powerful ways to build lasting confidence. So, take a moment to reflect on your own challenges. Ask yourself what's holding you back, and how can you start changing that narrative. Little by little, as you face these fears, you'll start seeing that confidence isn't something others give you, it's something you build within yourself. Okay, let's pivot and talk about some practical strategies you can use to boost your confidence. First up, setting achievable goals. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on small, manageable targets. For instance, if you're working on a big project, break it down into smaller tasks. Celebrate those little wins, they'll add up and give you a confidence boost. Next, let's chat about positive self-talk. How you talk to yourself matters. Instead of saying, I can't do this, try switching it to, I'll give it my best shot. This shift in mindset can really change how you approach challenges. Another great technique is visualization. Take a moment to close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding in whatever you're tackling, whether it's a presentation or a test. Visualizing success can create a mental roadmap that helps you feel prepared and confident. And don't forget about finding your support system. Surround yourself with friends, family, or mentors who lift you up and remind you of your strengths. Confidence isn't built in a vacuum. You need a little help along the way. Now, I want to share an inspiring story. Meet Sarah. Sarah was always shy in school and dreaded speaking up in class. She struggled with anxiety, especially when it came to tests. But one day she decided enough was enough. She started small, practicing speaking in front of the mirror and setting tiny goals, like answering one question in class each week. Slowly but surely, she began to see progress. She took that leap of faith and joined a debate club, which pushed her out of her comfort zone. Fast forward to today, and Sarah is not only a straight dash, a student, but also the president of her student council. Her journey is a testament to the power of confidence and how it can transform your academic experience. So, to wrap this all up, remember the strategies we discussed. Set achievable goals, practice positive self-talk, visualize your success, and lean on your support system. Confidence is key to unlocking your potential, and it can truly make a difference in your academic journey. The road to confidence isn't always smooth, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So, embrace the challenges and keep pushing forward. I want to hear from you. What are some of the confidence challenges you face? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. And don't forget to check out my next video where I'll share some effective study techniques to help you ace those exams with confidence. Catch you all later.